How much is YouTube TV Unlimited streams? YouTube TV's base plan allows streaming on up to 3 devices simultaneously. However, to enable unlimited simultaneous streams at home, you can subscribe to the 4K Plus add-on. Here's the breakdown. 1. Base plan streaming limits. Standard streams. You can stream on up to 3 simultaneous devices per account. 2. 4K Plus add-on. Monthly cost. $9.99 per month for the first 12 months. $19.99 per month thereafter. Benefits. Unlimited and home streams. Stream on an unlimited number of devices simultaneously while connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Enhanced video quality. Access select content in 4K resolution. Offline viewing. Download recordings to watch offline on mobile devices. 3. Important considerations. Home Wi-Fi requirements. Unlimited streaming is only available when devices are connected to your designated home Wi-Fi network. Out-of-home streams. Outside your home network, streaming is limited to 3 simultaneous devices. Add-on compatibility. Ensure your devices support 4K streaming to fully benefit from the add-on. By subscribing to the 4K Plus add-on, you can enjoy unlimited simultaneous streams at home, along with other enhanced features like 4K quality and offline viewing.